Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depend of where you are and depend of the time you are using. Yes, so I don still come again. I don still carry another matter come again, my people. Na me na una girl, the only one of Joy Omox Pass. Na I still come again. Many people dey say single lady, single lady, single lady. Abi na single mother, sorry to say. Single mother, single mother, single mother. But dem dey forget one thing o, say after single mother, single father still dey o. Abi una forget? Single father. The single fathers, may I say single fathers. The single fathers wey I dey talk about now be say women when e be say dem don born finish, dem go say I no fit stay dat husband house o. I no fit stay dat husband house o. I dey comot o. I dey pack my load o. I no fit come die o. I no fit come do dis one o. Dem go pack their jigida, dem go comot. What about the children wey you born put for there? You go leave them for the man. If dem say you no carry your children, no, na im children o. Na im nurse go take care of them o. Wetin una go call dat one? Na children papa. No be single father be dat one. Okay, where you say you no go fit stay, una look dis word well o. Where you say you no go fit stay, you comot. Then you come leave your children for there. Na your children go come fit stay there. Na your children na im go come fit stay dat place. My women, una look into dis matter. The woman say I no fit stay o. I no fit stay. I dey comot. I no fit come die. I never reach to die. I never reach to do this. I never reach to do that one. Because why? Her eye dey outside. No be say the men dey still too good o. No be all. But some dey when e be say they dey take care of their wife very well. That is before the woman go say like this, the man don use another hand. In fact, he go use two hands like this to answer the woman. Their head no go still stay there. Because why? They don dey see outside. Wetin dey outside, my beautiful woman? My beautiful women, wetin dey outside? Who una wan go carry? I no go fit stay o. I dey pack dey comot. I dey comot o. I no fit stay o. Wetin I wan do for there? What about the children wey you leave for there? Because assuming as you comot say I dey comot, I no fit stay there, I no go still leave my children, I go dey hear am wella for my ear. No be say you go say I no fit stay there, I dey comot o, I never reach to die. Na the children wan come die. Who say im never reach to die? Im dey comot, e go leave children. Na the children wan come die. Because when I go sit down reason this matter, they go dey say single mothers, what of una still talk about single fathers wey e be say the women dey leave children for, they go comot. They go comot. Man go fit take after, e go fit look after children as woman dey look after the children for house. Man go fit look after those children as the woman dey look after the children for house. Una answer this my question o. I no fit o. I no fit o. I no go fit come die o. Na there you go come see one mistake wey the man do, two mistake wey the man do. Na but the good ones wey the man don do for you for the past, you no go talk am come out o. Na the bad one na you go see talk. I know say men their own still dey their body o. For sure their own dey their body. But for this my own video now when I dey do so, I dey talk about women when e dey leave children for man. I go still come for men own, but not be for this topic when I dey talk so. No. This one so na just for the women when e dey leave children for man comot. No be even say he leave the children finish, he go still come back come dey see the children. No, as he just move, they don already leave goat for where they tie am put. He go just make piam. You know, if they tie goat now, if they release am, you know the way goat take dey run. Na so they be o. Those women when they leave children for men. Those women when they leave children for men, na so they be. If they just comot finish, they go just forget say they get children. They no go back go see the pikin. They no go back say, okay, make I still go look how my children still be, how they feel, whether they feed them well. Then the man no go get choice to take go carry another woman. He go carry another woman now. The man now no go say make him look grand first, because why? He hand don dey tight. Maybe if they comot early morning, they go work or they go shop now, still go find daily bread come. Because of the children, he go first say make he take after the children first before he go work. Time don go. Wetin the man go do? He go carry another woman. Okay, if he carry another woman and na they go rush now, he no go say make I look grand well, make I look the one wey be say go fit take care of my children as their mother be to am. He go carry anyone o. Carry anyone come the house, make dem come dey look the children. Okay, now you don go carry another woman now come house now, make he come dey take care of the children. Wetin you expect? Wetin you expect? If na the one wey never even born at all, wey never know how pikin be, he go choose the children anyhow. How you take see am now? He concern na. After all, no be he born am. They go come be slave. They go change to hawker. Even hawker good o. Hawker good o. If at all the woman, after the children don go suffer from outside come, the woman even still get that mind, that feeling of mother to them. Say make still take care of them for inside house where it go better. If they don't go outside, come back, go hawk, come back, they'll come chop the remaining the one where they want chop for inside house. And then you'll see that he go give the second food, wetin consign am. After all, not be she born them. She not be their mother. My fellow women, when they do that thing, not be all women, because some women go say, where I for comot, I dey carry my pikin dey comot. Even though na garri, I see chop, my children go follow me chop am. Yes, na that one be woman. Because the man he go waka come. Maybe na the man na run the woman. He go waka come. Even though not be the man na run the woman, na the woman just run the self. Say lie, they carry my children, they come out. The man go waka come back. He go think and say, I get children. Which pikin I go born? When he go come grow reach the one when I first get, I get children. No, I go meet my children. You no get how they be. I dey go me, even though the mama no gree for me again, but I go dey visit my children. Make my children know say I be their father. You see? Una see ah? But this one so I don't see many. They go just go. They'll go marry another man. The character where you hesitate for the first one, you not go hesitate for the second one. You go say don't marry number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Who you want say no go get character? Nadima. I mean na you when they born put for there. You they born then they put for there. They use it till they do gift. Na Sarah. I dash you this one. You go carry them, you go come out. Now you go see say some go do old. Their children go say, wait, I don't get mother. That one not be my mother. See my mother for here. Yes, they are right. They are right. You want swear for them? If you go swear for them, you swear for yourself. Even that they call life for the next life self, you not go stay better, because why? You maltreat those children bad. Now you maltreat them, not be woman where the man marry cannot be maltreat them. Now you where it be that woman, where you not know say as your mama born you, your papa born you, they take care of you. You know you grow, enjoy the feeling of your mother. You grow, enjoy the feeling of your father. Then now, you can't grow, come now. You can't say na lie, oh. Your children not go know the feeling of you. Are you a mother? Are you a mother? Even the character The character. Una see as I take pronounce am. The character. Na character, not be character. Character. Wey you don do for Africa, you still carry am enter Europe. You still carry am enter Europe. Before the man go talk to you, after all, for Europe for here now, they no kukuma dey touch woman. Anything can happen. You can misbehave. You think say na the man you dey do. You dey do yourself, my dear sister. Na yourself na you dey do. No fit say na the man na you dey do o. Mbano. You no dey do the man at all. You dey do yourself. Maybe right now you don born 5 for house before. You can't carry trouser. Omoge we dey go pien am put for waist. You go market, go buy top. Oh yeah, you go pien am come. If man see you, they no go take eye pass you. Your body fit make keke o, but your blood don die. Your blood don die. E no dey function. If you even born give the man, you go come born your own character. The same character wey you the woman get, you must get am. Among God your children, either 1 or 2 or 3 go be like you. Because you no fit train yourself good. You go still train them bad, train them spoil. They go still spoil. They go come be like you. Later, you go come say, I not train you like this, so na lie o. Na you train am. Because assuming you give that your children good training as a mother, they not go fit be like you. They not go fit be like you. Now so Europe children they be on a lie. Now the way you take train your pikin, now it take be like Europe pikin o. The way you take train your children, now it take be like Europe children. Not be so Europe children be o. Even the Oyibo when it they this Europe said that some of them they train their children wella. If they even see their father self, they go dey fear. If they see their mother, they go dey fear. Because why? They train their children well. Una go use una heart to spoil una children finish. Now go they say, now so you let children be o, because you yourself not fair educate yourself. How you want to educate your children? Where you know sabi, you know what train yourself finish. Now you want to control your pikin. You go train her the same character where you get, my sister. And I still they respect some women when it be said they you know what they call good training. They train their children well. Because why? They collect that training for their mother hand and their father hand. They know they misbehave. But you, when it be say you they leave children for your husband, maybe the time when your mama they talk to you, you go say, how dare you? Now you want to talk to me, I want to live my life. You don't go, piam. At the end of the day, where you for land yourself? Now good position? No! You land yourself for bad position, not be good position. Bad position. Now you want to control your pikin? You will never train yourself. You when you born, you leave children for the man. Now they say single mothers. Single mothers. What about single fathers? Mona still talk about single fathers, my people. Mona still talk about single fathers. If waiting some of our women they do, it good. Where you say you no fit stay, you leave your pikin for there. Now then you go know, you go see say they say one enemy don comot. And they go hold the man for what? What you want go hold the man for? What you want go hold the man for? Wetin you want go hold the family for? If your nyash let you take sit down for there, you go one no go comot, half no go comot, 1/4 no go comot. Because your nyash no let you take sit down for there. Yes, so now wetin you find, now you see. And that one no go still give the woman sense o, because he know say he don gbo one more o. Like she no go fit go back o. If na still some women go say no, if you never throw away leg put for outside though, some day the outside don enter their brain, how they take they live their life. They go say lie o, who husband help, husband help, husband help. People when they say who husband help. My from this Europe talk start am. You know why husband help? People when they say who husband help. Be a single person. May you not marry. If you go get respect for your family hand. Who tell una say husband no help? Who tell una say men no help? Although some men that they misbehave. But that one not me say, you go say, I know they marry. I want just born. Now so your mama take do for your own. Now so your mama take do for her own. Answer me. Now so your mama take do for her own. I want just born. I know they marry. Who husband help? Husband help. Because if you are man, God that they have say your character good to that man and una bring una head together. Why husband not go help? Things go well. Things go well. Una they plan together. This one not they do kiri. The other one not they do kiri. Una they in a good way, good road, straight road. Why husband not go help? Or why wife not go help? If the man and still man will be say they bring it yet come and they listen to his wife say na so we go do am o. The two idea come together. Why the marriage not go help? Who man help? Who husband help? Who tell una say husband no help? Who tell una say husband no help? Husband go outside go find deliberate coin. He never help. Tell me. Husband suffer go outside. You the woman dey house. They do tafia for house, doing nothing. You just the house, they do tafia for house. Then the man go outside, go find deliberate come. Then you can't tell me say husband no help. Man go outside, go find school fees of children come. You can't tell me say husband no help. You can't tell me say husband no help. Before anybody go talk to you for outside or even for your family, anybody want talk to you self, they go first go look your husband say, hey, because of our husband, no. Who tell you say husband no help? Answer me. Who tell you say husband no help? Who tell you say man no help? Now this one, now we women say they kill ourselves. I not remove myself. This mentality, when you not just join, when it be say, if una go dey look only una self say, I fit do wetin the man go fit do. Now we women say they kill ourselves. Answer me that question. Say husband no help. Who tell you say husband no help? Are you this woman when they marry come house? May you can't take care of these children. Why you they behave like that? Why you they behave like that? But if you born your own now, you know what you they do. You born your own now. Then you no go gree. May fly even perch your pikin. But you they maltreat the one where they say can't take care of. Why you they misbehave that kind of way? Why you they behave like that? The hand where you take carry your own, why you not fit use that take carry that man own? Because him mama don't go. He don't go for bad, not be for good. He go for bad because he had their side. And the man when he bring you come house, they use better hand till they hold you this woman. May you forfeit take care of those children. And you see they misbehave. They treat the children bad. Why? And those children take you as their own mother. You they let them they remember say una mama no dey this house. Not be you pursue their mother. Why? Why my women? Why una they do like that? Why una they behave like that? Why una no they think they look back before una they do? Why? Those children go better tomorrow now. Although they say children when they maltreat bad, now they can't they get the best, you know. Now they call it better for life pass the one where they carry pepe. And the one where they maltreat bad though, that una no go no. Now this una they do them, but now they teach them better thing. They don't know what life be. But na the one when he still know God, when he dey closer to God, na he go say, if not be this woman, as far as say our mama don go leave us, he don waka go, he no know whether she get children. If not be still this woman, maybe with they for not dey alive today, maybe they for not be this person today, they will still get that pity mind, still take go back, go take care of their mother. But why son go say lie to lie, you know they do, because why? She maltreats them bad. Maybe that woman now no go gree make that man give the children the best education, of which is bad. You know where that pikin destiny dey go? You know where God send now they go? Wetin that pikin wan come be for this life? Una no even dey think of that one at all. Una no dey think of that one. I don sit down for my husband house, no be me pursue their mother. Una go just dey maltreat the children anyhow. Oh my people, those women when they do that kind of thing, I beg una, Mona withdraw hand. Those one when they say husband no help, na that man come even dey prepare me for body pass. Oh, husband no help, woman help. But una go the man house, the man go do heaven and earth for una go say woman help. Now you work the money for your pocket. Now you help and struggle that struggle. If the relationship can't lead to marriage, go say who husband help? Who husband help? I know they marry. Like seriously? Really? Like seriously? Are you saying the right word? Are you doing the right thing? Really? I want just born. God don't create this world can't be like that. Oh, to the born. Are you a cheerful giver? May I ask you? Are you a cheerful giver? If they carry you go out and go put ring for your hand, you see they show that left hand. Let people they see say you are a responsible married woman that they forbid. Like seriously, I want just born, not they marry. Really? Now what you think say you dey talk for mouth? Now what? So you just think and say I don't talk. Now there your mind go say I don't talk. Who talk help? That one not talk. You just sit down. You say you don't talk. That one not talk. Really? That one not talk. Man, when God when he creates a man and woman, he not go do wrong. Go. Abi una say he do wrong. So now you can't create the word, Abi. Now you can't get this word. Abi, I want just born and not they marry. Because the matter they pepper me for a year. Kukuma job be a single person. Job be that person where they know say not get pikin. You just come this life, can't just do cheerful giver. I follow this one today, I follow the other one tomorrow, I follow the other one next tomorrow, I follow this one, I follow that one, cheerful giver. Before your time go reach where God go to say, come talk how you take waka for the where I send you go. That one go just be between you and God. No be say you come born one pikin tomorrow, born and give one man where you know say na him father. You go say I want just one, not they marry. At the end of the day, then you can't leave the man. Even the one where they put money for a year itself, when they kukuma settle down, marry, the man go settle down, spend money put for that woman head. At the end of the day, go say the marriage has enough is stay. Really? Oh God, the truth they talk say, who get cap, not get heads. Who get heads, not get cap. Really? You know they hungry for that house. I know say marriage house na school. You start from KG to primary, from primary to secondary school, from secondary school to university, from university, now you don't graduate. Now be this our old mama and our old papa where they don't old. They go still stay together before one go leave one, the other one go say no, stay, go still go meet her. And that one, that be graduation. Now be graduation. I know say husband has not easy, sha. Because you dey live with stranger where you not know before, but with time una go know each other. If you the woman carry your head come down, you not get ego head. Yes, una go understand each other, come even be like brother and sister. Man go just settle down, carry your money in your sweat when he suffer put. He go carry you go meet your papa and your mama, pay for your head. He go carry you go altar, go put ring, put for your hand. The man go still carry you come in your house when he dey pay dey put, still dey go work on dey feed you. You go still say wetin dey that your nyash, you no go fit use am stay. Say who marriage help? Really? Na that one dey vex me. Who marriage help? Who marriage help? You no help your papa, you no help your mama. Now your mama still dey with your papa. Answer me that word. Who marriage help? You no help your mama. Now he born you, give your papa. Answer me. Who marriage help? Really? Really? Who marriage help? Sometimes I go just sit down, I go reason go here, I go reason go there, say why e be say people when e get gold, they no dey value their gold. They no dey value that gold. Like people when e get gold, they can never value the gold. They no dey value that gold though. People when they just get that gold, they no dey value am. Other person for outside, when they go just carry go give, he go check and say, this one na gold. He go carry that gold. You know as egg be, if egg fall for your hand now, e just scatter. He go carry the gold, he go lock am put for inside wardrobe. That gold no dey fall down. Lie, that gold no dey touch ground though. Mbanu. Hey, this word there, una come turn her upside down for marriage way. Come carry single father. Those people they be no want become single father o, but una come carry them come become single father. Where you say you no fit stay, you go leave your children put for. Don't you say make you come take care of them? Tomorrow you go dey grumble say, you know see you never come, you don't go carry another woman enter house. Or yes now, wetin you expect before? You never come out when you don pack your property. Which of your thing come dey there? You never come out. Now then you go see some of our women, you no get wetin, no matter wetin go happen for that marriage, you go say just because of my children and for dog go. Only that word I respect those our mothers. Some of our mothers will not be all. When they go say, because of my children, if not because of my children, and for don't come out for this marriage, they say yes. Not be only because of the children, because of her husband, she still love the man wella. Not because of the children, say because if not because of my children go don't grow, they don't big. Go say if not because of my children, now if your house they suffer. Now lie still there now because of the man, because he still get that love for that man. She still get the love. Say if he comes now, where you want go? Where you want go start from? Where you want go start from? If he come out, he go just sit down, he go come out. Where you want go start from? When children don't grow finish, now you want know say you want come out for her husband. May one woman come here now, come to enjoy wetin don suffer put. You see, good advice. She sit down, advise herself. Now then you go see son o. Many things dey lead them to come out for the husband house o. Because some go just sit there, their brain go sit there say, who you want leave those children for? Friends go come. You dey say you want leave your children for? The man dey beat you. Leave one for the man. Make he take care of them. Make he know as the suffer be. Make he know the kind of work wey you dey do for the house. Leave one for the man. Comot make you see. If you comot, make you see as your life go be. Go mumu. Follow your friend's advice. Go leave the children. Go leave am for them. I no say no comot for your husband house o. If the marriage no go well, according to how you want am, I no talk that one, but no leave those children for the man. Why you go leave your children? Where you say you no fit stay, you leave your children put. No marriage is perfect. No marriage is perfect. But when you use your hand to arrange your marriage, it go dey okay. The marriage when I go say, if you want comot, you comot. When you know say the man want take your life, you fit go. When you know say the man want take your life, you fit go. That one they don't dey keep person put. Now that one you go dey say marriage help I go dey hear. But not be say the man dey take care of you. You know they pay house rent, you know they pay bill, you know they. You go see say who marriage help I dey comot. So this Europe where we dey so, marriage gets plenty type. Plenty type oh. So marriage dey. Now you and the man na go dey share house rent dey pay. Now you and the man na go dey share bill dey pay. Now you and the man na go dey share food store wey una wan buy put for house. So women still dey, they go still bear am. Say I don for put. Why you when in dey Africa, you know they pay house rent, you know they pay bill, you don't know how the food take dey enter the house. Why you go say you no fit stay? You go leave the children. Born 5 children, leave one for man. Born 6 children, leave one for man. You go comot, go dey wear trouser, go dey carry gbogbo dey put for your body. Say you dey diet. You go say you dey diet oh. You want slim down, make them for see and say you never born. Monkey go market. If they check on your body, they see korokoro. You don born oh. Korokoro for belle, you don born. You no get as you go wipe and reach. It must still show because that map must still dey there say you are not a virgin. You don't become after 6 or after 5 or after 1 or after 2. You must stay there. Except the man when he be say he no understand how woman be. He no go know. He go say, my woman never born. Who tell you? Who tell you say he never born? Even they throw away self. Now the same rope when he hold who don born, now he hold they throw away. He don born. He don born. As far as say he don enter. He don ripe. He don born. You some men when he be say una no go look well now say my woman never born no. Go deny. You go deny for the woman. I be say you the man don't kill yourself now. Because what he do to Mr. A, he go do one to you will be Mr. B. He go still go meet Mr. C. Go reach Z. Do one to them. When una go take wise, when you some women when they do this kind of thing go take wise, when una go take wise, job born, suffer, carry pikin for 9 good months, born now. You say that has not let you stay, then you dey leave your children. You dey leave your children for